Looking for powerful cleaning performance? The best pressure washers make it easy to remove stubborn dirt, grime, mold, and stains from driveways, cars, patios, decks, and outdoor surfaces. In this review, we'll explore top-rated pressure washers that deliver strong water pressure, easy operation, durability, and great value for home and professional cleaning needs. Starting at number 1. DEWALT Electric Pressure Washer. The DEWALT DWPW2400 electric pressure washer is a powerful and durable cleaning solution designed for home and job site use. With 2,400 psi maximum pressure and 1.1 GPM water flow, it provides strong performance for removing dirt, grime, stains, and buildup from vehicles, patios, decks, and outdoor surfaces. It features a 25-foot kink-resistant hose, integrated detergent tank, onboard storage for accessories, and 10-inch pneumatic wheels for easy mobility and convenient operation. Built with DEWALT's trusted quality and CETA certification, this electric pressure washer offers reliable cleaning power, portability, and long-lasting performance for a variety of cleaning tasks. Number 2. Ryobi RY141612. The Ryobi RY141612 1600 psi 1.2 GPM electric pressure washer is a compact and lightweight cleaning tool designed for everyday household tasks. With 1,600 psi maximum pressure and 1.2 GPM water flow, it delivers effective cleaning power for removing dirt and grime from cars, outdoor furniture, patios, bikes, and other surfaces. Weighing just 16.4 pounds, this corded electric pressure washer is easy to carry, store, and use, while the 25-foot hose and quick connect spray wand provide added convenience and flexibility. Its compact design, reliable performance, and user-friendly features make it a great option for homeowners who need an affordable and portable solution for regular cleaning jobs. Number 3. Worx Hydroshot 20V Power. The Worx Hydroshot 20V Power Share WG620.1 cordless portable power cleaner is a lightweight and convenient cleaning solution designed for users who need portable washing power anywhere. With 320 psi maximum pressure and a 20V 4.0Ah battery, it delivers up to 5 times more pressure than a standard garden hose while offering complete cordless freedom. It features a 5-in-1 adjustable nozzle, 20-foot draw hose, bottle adapter, soap container, and multiple cleaning accessories, allowing it to handle tasks like washing cars, bikes, boats, outdoor furniture, and other equipment. Weighing only 4 pounds, this compact cleaner is easy to carry and use, making it an excellent choice for quick, light-duty cleaning jobs at home, on the go, or in areas without direct water access. Number 4. 5,000 psi electric pressure washer. The M.5000 psi electric pressure washer is a high-powered cleaning machine designed to handle tough outdoor cleaning tasks with ease. Featuring 5,000 psi maximum pressure and 3 GPM water flow, it provides strong performance for removing stubborn dirt, grime, stains, and buildup from vehicles, fences, patios, driveways, and other surfaces. It comes with a 33-foot pressure hose, for quick connect nozzles, a soap bottle, detergent tank, and foam cannon, allowing users to customize their cleaning approach for different jobs. The built-in total stop system helps improve energy efficiency by automatically shutting off the motor when the trigger is not in use. With its compact design, lightweight 18.3-pound build, and versatile accessories, this electric pressure washer is a powerful option for homeowners looking for professional-style cleaning performance. Number 5. Electric pressure washer 4800 psi. The Toikiko 4800 psi 2.5 GPM electric pressure washer is a powerful and versatile cleaning machine designed for tackling a wide range of outdoor tasks. With 4800 psi maximum pressure and 2.5 GPM water flow, it delivers strong cleaning performance for removing stubborn dirt, grime, and buildup from cars, driveways, decks, patios, fences, and other surfaces. It features 4 quick connect spray nozzles, a foam cannon, 23-foot high-pressure hose, 20-foot power cord, and 4 lockable swivel wheels for improved mobility and convenience. The ability to draw water from both a standard faucet and a bucket adds extra flexibility for outdoor cleaning locations. With its compact design, safety switch, and easy storage features, this Toikiko electric pressure washer is a practical choice for homeowners looking for powerful and flexible cleaning performance.